Viewsonic introduces the LX700-4K projector in China, targeting cinephiles and gamers with its high-end features. Priced at 9,999 yuan, $1,382, it's now available for pre-sale on JD.com. The device boasts a Nichia laser module, ensuring vibrant images with 2,500 ANSI lumens brightness and a 300:1 contrast ratio, even in well-lit rooms. Its 110% BT.2020 color gamut provides lifelike colors, enhancing realism. Equipped with a 0.65 DMD display chip and a 4K native optical glass lens, it offers high-resolution visuals. Supporting various resolutions and refresh rates, it's versatile for different content types, with low latency ideal for gaming. The projector features optical zoom and lens shift for flexible installation without compromising quality, plus keystone correction for image alignment. It prioritizes user comfort with TÜV certified eye protection and IP6X dustproof design. Energy efficient eco mode extends lamp life and reduces maintenance costs. HDR10 and HLG support enhanced dynamic range and color accuracy. It comes with a 15-watt speaker system and HDMI eARC for audio connectivity. Built-in HDMI SEC and 12 volts trigger output facilitate integration into smart home systems. The sleek, dust-proof design and efficient cooling system ensure quiet operation for an immersive home theater experience.